It's the busiest time of the year for e-commerce, Black Friday, Cyber Monday. So here's how to get the most out of it. Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or BFCM, is the biggest sales event of the year. In 2021, Shopify reported over $6.3 billion in sales for their store owners. And although it's a big deal, with merchants looking to draw about 16% of their total holiday revenue, things are changing a bit this year, as customer sales are going to pull forward earlier into Q4. With macroeconomic factors affecting customer spend, customers are looking to lighten the load on their wallet and actually spread out their disposable income. So how can you take advantage of early customer spending and still hit your BFCM targets? First and foremost, you need a plan and it needs to be creative. Since you're looking to drive revenue at the forefront and you need that revenue stream to hold firm throughout BFCM, your promotions need to be diversified. For example, pre-BFCM, you know your customers are looking for deals, and this gives you the flexibility to try tactics outside of just traditional discounting. Perhaps look to offer a deal on bundling, or maybe even a free gift with purchase within a given time frame. So here's another idea. You could offer a next order coupon to everyone who shops pre-BFCM to then be used during BFCM. This will ultimately boost loyalty and drive up that LTV. Now for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Now this is where we tend to see blanket discounts, and although they're effective, they're tired and they're stale. My recommendation would be to layer. So here's what I mean. Instead of a blanket 25% off, here's what you could do instead. Offer your customers 15% off and have the prices already marked down. Then add in free shipping with no minimum. And to really sweeten the deal, allow your customers to add back in that promo that you offered them when they shopped during pre-BFCM. Now for Cyber Monday. Please do not add a steeper discount. This is going to erode trust with your customers and ultimately make them disgruntled. Instead, extend your current promotion and offer unique incentives such as triple loyalty points. All right, so here's the recap. Black Friday, Cyber Monday is pulling forward this year. Start planning now for promotions that precede BFCM. Incentivize repeat purchases and drive up that LTV. And lastly, diversify your promotions. This will surprise and delight your prospective and existing customers. If this video helped you out, check out some more here.